let's solve this together. It says mn plus n is equal to 45 and n minus m is equal to 5. We're going to solve for the value of m and n respectively, okay? Now the first thing we can do here is to say from equation 2, so we say from 2 that n is equal to 5 plus m, okay? So we can go ahead and call this our equation 3, okay? So we can now substitute this equation 3 in equation 1. So in place to see n, we replace it with 5 plus m. So we have m into 5 plus m, okay, plus 5 plus m. It's equal to 45. Now, m times 5 is 5m. M times m is m squared plus 5 plus m is equal to 45. Now, we can write this in descending order. So we have the first thing is m squared. We have 5m plus m is 6m. We have plus 40 plus 5, and then we have my plus 45 coming over here will give us minus 45 to be equal to 0. Now we have m squared plus 6m minus 40 equal to 0. Now factorizing this, the multiples of minus 40 that we'll add to give us 6 is minus 4 and plus 10. Okay, when this multiply, they give us minus 40. When this add up, they give us 6. So we have m minus 4 into m plus 10 is equal to 0. Okay. Now moving on from here, when the product of two things are equal to 0, it's either the first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. So it's either m minus 4 equals 0, hence m equals 4, or m plus 10 equals 0, hence m equals negative 10. Okay, now let's go ahead and substitute this answer in our equation 3 to get our n. Okay, so we have that n according to equation 3 is equal to 5 plus m. So I say when m equals colon, so for 5, so when m is equal to 5, we have that n will be equal to 5 plus 5, which is equal to 10. Okay, when m as well is equal to negative 10, n will be equal to 5 plus negative 10, which is times 5 minus 10, which is equal to negative 5. Okay, so n is equal to 10 or negative 5. Okay, thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.